Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let's chat about the charity trip and what's going on. Cue the intro. Well, if you're new to this channel, let me catch you up. So I announced that in May 2022, this year, I'm going to be doing the Great Motorcycle Charity Ride. And what we're doing is we are buying large CC capacity bikes for £1,000 or less, and we're going to be riding around the UK like a compass. And it's going to be absolutely nuts. These old banger, these motorcycles, we are going to make them into superhero bikes. We're going to dress as superheroes and we're going to ride around this country. But for a very important reason. And the very important reason is that we are raising money for one of the best charities in the entire world, and it needs our support. And that is the Rainbow Trust Children's Charity. And what they do is incredible. They support the families with children with that are sort of seriously ill or terminally ill, and they support them, and it's an unbelievable charity, and I can't thank people enough that have already got involved in this. Now I've opened this up and I've literally said that anybody is welcome to join us. I want this to be as big and as huge as possible, and I'm going to be using every contact, every person I know to try to raise awareness and money to make this happen. Now I just want to say it has been again overwhelming how many people are getting involved in this, and now I don't do big shout outs to other YouTube channels and stuff like that. I just want to do collabs with people, we mention them and stuff like that. But the thing of it is that we've already got two fantastic YouTube channels that are joining us on this crazy adventure. They've gone out of their way to also go and buy big sort of CC capacity bikes, and that is the Works channel and Biker Buddy. And both channels, I just want to say thank you so much. Their support is absolutely fantastic, and all together we are raising awareness and trying to get people to donate towards this charity. And on donations, I am overwhelmed. We have raised so far £269. £269 to help this charity do the amazing job that they do. And do you know what? Thank you so much from the people that donate a lot of money to people who donate a couple of quid. It's your hard-earned money, and I really appreciate it. And on that, if you want to be the next person to bump up that total, get the total higher and higher, please donate. There is a link down in the description. Every time I get a donation, I'm doing a little truffle shuffle. I am seriously thankful, and I want to keep that total growing and growing every video that we talk about this. So please donate if you haven't. If it's a quid, it's a quid. If it's a tenner, if it's tenner. If it's hundreds of pounds, would be amazing. But please donate. And again, if you know somebody that owns a company or a business, and they can literally donate, and it helps towards their tax and all that rubbish. But at the end of the day, if they can donate as well, it works for them, and it really helps us, and it really helps that charity. But I am desperate to keep that total going and going and going and going and going. So like I said, the whole point of this charity trip is pretty much, the point of it is we're going to set off from a said location. Nobody has to start from this location, but we're going to set off from our usual secret location on this channel, and then we're going to be heading off to a postcode. The point of the postcode thing of it is that I will put up on the Facebook page, if you literally haven't followed the Facebook page, the Helmet Head Facebook page, it is very much worth following it, because when this charity trip is going on, I'm going to post on there every single day the postcode of where we're aiming to go, the place we're aiming to be, and that can be anything from a pub where I'll say at 9 o'clock at night, this is where you need to aim to get to, where we're going to end up having a celebratory drink or a beer. And if there isn't such a thing as a pub nearby, at that postcode we'll be aiming to go to a McDonald's. It'll all be put on the Facebook page each day, so you guys know where we're going. We will start again with the secret location. The postcode will be put on the Facebook page, so you know what time we're going to be setting off and when we're going to be starting. And there's going to be no rules to this on the aspect of you have to ride with me and the sidekick on our £1,000 or less motorcycles. You can take as many breaks, go which way you decide to go. The aim of the game is to get to that postcode, that location by that time at night, so we all know that we're all there safe and sound. Now, it is not going to be an organised trip like a tour side of things or anything like that. If you make it to the postcode and you enjoy beer with us and we move on to the next location, all good. If you have a problem with your bike, obviously it's down to you to try and get your bike sorted out. If you've had enough and you want to go home, you can go home. It literally is, this is where we're going, this is where we're going to be. You can ride with us all day and hang out, or you can just get to that postcode so you can stop and take as many breaks as you feel necessary. And it's open, like I said, to everybody. The only thing that I ask, and this is the only thing that I ask, is that you share that donation link. You talk to people about it. You tell every biker person you know about it, and make this total grow. Get the support that we desperately need to make this a huge success. And that's all that I ask. Anybody that's coming on that wants to be a YouTuber or is a YouTuber that wants to film it, you're all welcome. Everybody is welcome. It's going to be an absolute blast. Now, like I said, we're aiming to do this in less than a week, and it is going to be absolutely mad. Hopefully we'll get that total sort of growing, and this is going to be absolutely epic. I'm dead excited. If you've not seen the previous video, I've bought myself a Honda Pan-European. I can officially say that the Sidekick has won a motorcycle on eBay and is going to go and collect it. So there'll be an update video on that soon. Some of the other channels have their own videos going on. Like I said, check out The Works, check out Biker Buddy. They've got their own stuff going on with it as well. So please go to their channels and check out that. But this is coming together amazing. This is going to be big. This is going to be probably the biggest thing I've ever done, and I want to make it the biggest thing I've ever done. It is going to be absolutely wild. Now, in regards to my channel, I have created the sort of Helmet Head 2022 t-shirt. You can pick that up from the shop down below if you so wish, and basically it has got the charity on it. It's got 2022 and it's got the famous saying on the back. Please go and check that out if you're interested. But ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be absolutely huge. The total is growing, people are getting bikes, and May 2022, all the information to do with dates and stuff like that is on the, if you click on the Just Given, it is on the link down there as well, the actual date that we're going. So I just want to say, ladies and gents, please get involved. Please share that link. Please consider coming along. Please consider turning up to one of the postcodes for a beer and to just spend some time with us and spread that word. Everybody's welcome. Everybody's invited for as much or as little as you want to do. The most important thing about this is we spread the word and make this huge, and that exactly is what we're going to do.